I was just 32 SQC away from Aeroplan 35K. Instead of booking a flight, I loaded $75 onto my Starbucks card twice and instantly unlocked status. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, plus the exact rule you need to know so you don't waste your money. I already had 25K status, but my account was sitting at 34,968 SQC. Under the Aeroplan program, linked eligible everyday partners, like Starbucks, earn you 1 status qualifying credit or SQC for every 5 base Aeroplan points. When you load $75 or more in a single transaction at Starbucks, you get 100 Aeroplan points, which equals 20 SQC. So I linked my accounts, loaded $75 and went back into Aeroplan. And there it was, my balance had increased from 34,968 to 34,988 SQC. That left me just 12 SQC short. But would a second $75 load actually take me past 35,000 and trigger 35K status? I loaded another $75 onto Starbucks and logged back into Aeroplan. Boom, a 35K virtual card appeared right away, accompanied by a "Congratulations" message. My new total was 35,008 SQC. Now, I chose $75 for a very specific reason. There's a small detail you need to be aware of, so you don't accidentally waste your money. If you're enjoying seeing these Aeroplan strategies tested rather than just explained, give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss more everyday partner hacks. Be sure to check out my linked video at the end, the little known hack to reach Aeroplan Elite status faster, which gives the complete SQC breakdown for partners. It took about 1 minute for the status credits to show up in my account after the last transaction, which is honestly the fastest I've ever seen a partner credit post. But keep in mind, processing times vary quite a bit, so don't rely on that if you're on a deadline for points posting to your account. And speaking of things to look out for, here is the critical caveat you need to know. Transaction amounts matter. Loading anywhere from $50 to $74.99 to your Starbucks account one time will only give you 25 Aeroplan points, which is 5 SQC. You need to load $75 in a single transaction to earn 20 SQC. Also, keep in mind there is an annual cap of 25,000 SQC earned across all everyday partners combined, including hotels and car rentals. 2 $75 loads, $150 total, took me from 34,968 SQC to 35,008 SQC. No flight required. That's how Starbucks took me from 25K to 35K elite status. For those other partner options I mentioned and more SQC earning strategies, check out this video, the little known hack to reach Aeroplan Elite status faster. No flights required.